Hey guys, I'm sure after weeks of being in quarantine, your nails look like this, but look how nice. With a little bit of polygel, your nails can look like you went to the salon. So I take a cotton pad and I put some nail polish remover on it. And I had a dark color, so it did take a while for the nail polish to come off, but it's definitely worth it because you want your nails to be as completely dry as possible. I took a buffer, a 100 by 180, and I completely buffed out my nails, made sure they were really coarse so the product sticks easier and it makes it last longer. I then use these reusable tips, which I link below from Amazon. They're absolutely amazing and they have different sizes to fit your nails. The polygel that I'm using is the Renmol. I also will link this below, and I decided to use the colors black and pink. I take a little jar of rubbing alcohol and I use the stick that they gave me. They have a little pick on one end and a little brush, but you use to dab the alcohol in. A little bit goes a long way. Once you apply the product onto your plastic form, you want enough to cover the base, and I like to focus a little bit more on the bottom. That way, when you actually press it onto your nail, it will eventually push up onto the top. And also, you want your bottom to be more sturdier because you do not want your nail to be top heavy. What I love about polygel compared to normal acrylic is that polygel does not dry when you're working with it. You have all the time in the world, so this is definitely an amazing product for beginners who are just starting to do their nails to work with, because it will not cure unless you put it underneath the UV lamp. So after I shape it to how I want, I clean up all the excess after I put it on my nail, and I place it into the UV lamp for 2 minutes on each side. Make sure to also cure the bottom side of your nail so that dries too. After you cure your nails so it's really hardened, I go and take a cotton pad with some more rubbing alcohol and I take off the shine on my nails. This then allows me to file the shape that I desire onto the nails. Polygel is super easy to file, so you can achieve that perfect ballerina or square shape on your nails that you would normally get at the salon. I file with my finger between my thumb and the files for a well-supported file so the nail does not break. Polygel is actually way harder than you would imagine it to be, so it's super easy to work with, and I highly suggest for people who are just starting off with nails to use it. I like to finish off my look by hardening it one last time before adding some top coat. Will be linked in the bottom of the video, and it's a really amazing top coat. Make sure to apply it generously to every single nail and on the undersides as well before you cure it in your UV lamp. And you can see how amazing the final results are on my left hand with the black, and I did a light pink on my right hand, and it's really amazing, super fast to do at home.